man, welcome back to the channel. We are out here again with a new rider on a Suzuki GSX-R. Yes sir, just met him a couple of days ago, or a few days ago. Been trying to get together, but you know, our schedules, if you guys know anything about my schedule's all jacked up. But we're able to get in a ride today just for a little bit. We're going to stay in town. We're not going to go all the way up to the mountains. It is later in the day, so there is no time for that mess. But this Saturday perhaps could be a bigger ride with a little bit more people going up to the mountains. Stay tuned for that one. But we out here, we having fun, fam. We are having fun. We're doing what we do. And like I said, we're just gonna be relaxing. And I really don't have much to talk about, honestly, because my brain has been fried for the past couple of days. Just trying to get some videos knocked out, and then also trying to plan out some rides for the coming days as well. Trying to meet new people, so trying to go ahead and open up that community a little bit, trying to connect with new people that I haven't met before, and that's always a good thing. But his GSX, I'm not completely sure what year it is. I didn't ask him. I'm not sure what year it is, but he bought that one. He got rid of a cruiser. He said that he got rid of a cruiser and he bought that one, so that's cool, man. He doesn't have a comm system yet, so we can't talk to one another, but hopefully he'll get a comm system soon, and then we can link up and do we have some conversations or whatever, if he wants to, however he wants to do that. But he says that his wife rides too, so that'd be kind of cool to have them both out. Find out this guy lives actually very, very close to me, so it could also be that we're going to be riding a little bit more since we are so close in proximity to one another. So that's always good. I love that. Love discovering that people have their bikes hidden away in their garage and they ain't coming out to play yet. I like that. There's a nice snow cone place here in town. Hopefully it's still open. Yeah, there it is. Is it open? Yep, it's open. That place right there. What's that, Pelicans? Yep, that place, Pelicans, right there. That got some good snow cones there too. So if you guys ever in town or in this neck of the wood, search up that Pelican. Get you a good snow cone on a hot Georgia day, like it's been lately here. Coming up, this is really kind of part of my secret racetrack in my other videos that I ran through here. So this is in that area of my personal track that I tend to come to, again, like I mentioned before, that when I'm just kind of strapped for time and I need to just hit the track. Then this is usually where I come. Hey Ricardo, music off.
What is this?
This is 890.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Power, man.
Yeah, Colonel is 600, right?
600.
Yeah.
I mean, I see when you length that, and man, that thing catch up quick.
Yeah.
You're right by my tail.
Yeah, this is it's got a lot of torque on the kind of lower end.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Alright, looks like we made it onto my racetrack. So we're gonna get on my racetrack here and we're gonna go one time through, just kind of show him around where I normally ride to. So he says he's never been down to my racetrack, so that's good. Show him where my racetrack is at. Love this road, bro. Okay. We'll ride again. We'll go ride again. Alright fam, that's gonna do it for today's ride. Coming out with Yanto and Beyonce, new guy riding on the GSX-R. Happy that we have met each other, happy that we got in our first ride together. Hopefully we can do more rides again, but again I appreciate him coming along. But again, that's gonna do it for today. We are gonna go back to the house, relax and chill out for the rest of the evening because we got to do the adult thing. So till next time, appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all the goodness. Holla at your boy next time. Peace out.